Hi. Day 8. I made a boo-boo day 7, but I think I have shit footage. Maybe you get it, maybe not. First try. The recording quality is so mixed. Oh, do you see? I turn on the mic for you, so you can have astigmatism like I do. Do you see the cross? Here we go again. Other way around. It's usually a little more difficult. Oh, I'm leaking here. The hole doesn't close if I just put my finger, so I have to kind of slide it. Yeah. Immediate success. Okay, so the air escaping is my main problem still. And I wanted to go lower and higher. Lower is smaller room and higher is more room. The other way around. It kind of works, but it